So there you have it. I am really happy with how this box came out. It's just a nice little keepsake box. Didn't take that much time to do it, but especially coming out of a piece of firewood, it's kind of cool. I like it. Now, if you are wanting to see an entire how-to video on this where I go into detail on all the steps, I do have that. I'll leave a link to that up in the cards and down in the description below. This is just a fun little artistic video that I like to do to actually go through the entire process in one quick video and have a little bit of fun with it. So I hope you like that. If you do, let me know down below. If you don't, let me know down below. I'd love to hear your comments or thoughts on it. I do want to say a huge thank you to our patrons on Patreon. Everyone who is helping buying with t-shirts and card scrapers. You're helping making Wood by Wright more than it is today. Thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you can do so down below. And until next time, have a wonderful day.